He was a very, very humble person. Humility was his way of life. He recognized everybody. Some people say that Magoha was arrogant. I say no. Magoha was just a straight talking person. And if people don't like sometimes to hear the truth, it will say it the way he's saying it. You love it or not, but you will say it. And he has excelled, as you have seen, wherever he's been, wherever he has gone to. That's why when my brother one time asked me, but what do you think about this man? Do you think he can make a good minister for education? I had no hesitation saying, yes, this fellow will not disappoint you. And he did, as the president is going to confirm to you, he did not disappoint in that position. He has done a lot of things in his career as a medical doctor, as a teacher, and as a minister. So all those are actually recorded there. I don't want to repeat them. But it was something, and people were actually, some of his colleagues around say, oh, Magoha is not helping us.